Before you sign up for Roman, also known as Ro, stop right here, because most people think it is just a pill delivery service. The surprising truth is that Ro is a full telehealth platform, and how you use it can shape your health, your confidence, and your wallet. Ro is a telemedicine company that connects you with licensed healthcare providers online. It is best known for men's health treatments, including hair loss, erectile dysfunction, weight management, and skincare. Instead of visiting a doctor's office, you complete an online health questionnaire and receive treatment if approved by a medical professional. Here is how it works. First, you select a condition you want help with. Then you answer questions about your health history, lifestyle, and symptoms. A licensed provider reviews your information. If appropriate, they prescribe treatment, and Ro ships it directly to your door. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. This is still medical care. You must be honest, or you risk getting the wrong treatment. One of Ro's biggest advantages is privacy. Many people avoid seeing a doctor for sensitive issues. Ro removes that barrier by allowing discreet consultations and delivery. You won't believe what happens next when people finally get treatment. Many report better confidence, improved relationships, and stronger overall well-being. Pricing is straightforward, but not always cheap. Some medications cost more than generic pharmacy versions. However, you are paying for convenience, medical review, and home delivery. For example, hair loss treatment plans often range from affordable monthly subscriptions to higher-tier packages depending on the medication type. Ro also offers ongoing care. You can message your provider, adjust treatments, and track progress through your account. This makes it more than a one-time service. There are limitations. Ro is not for emergencies or complex medical conditions. It also may not be available in every state or country. Insurance coverage is limited, so many services are paid out of pocket. So who should use Ro? It is perfect for people who want fast, private, and convenient access to treatment for common conditions. It is not ideal for those needing in-person exams or urgent care. The surprising truth about Ro is that it is not just about medication. It is about removing barriers to healthcare. If this honest review helped you, subscribe for more real product and service breakdowns that help you make smarter decisions.